Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Every Day.
Today, we're going to practice simple daily sentences.
Yes, these are everyday actions you can use in real life. They are easy, useful, and perfect for English beginners.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribing helps you learn English every day with us.
Yes, click the subscribe button so you never miss a lesson. All right, let's begin. Morning routine. I wake up.
I wake up.
I open my eyes.
I open my eyes.
I sit up in bed.
I sit up in bed.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my arms.
I stand on the floor.
I stand on the floor.
I walk to the bathroom.
I walk to the bathroom.
I turn on the light.
I turn on the light.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I dry my face.
I dry my face.
I look in the mirror.
I look in the mirror.
I pick up my toothbrush.
I pick up my toothbrush.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I rinse my mouth.
I rinse my mouth.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I open the bathroom door.
I open the bathroom door.
Getting dressed. I walk to my bedroom.
I walk to my bedroom.
I open my wardrobe.
I open my wardrobe.
I choose my clothes.
I choose my clothes.
I put on my shirt.
I put on my shirt.
I put on my trousers.
I put on my trousers.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I look out the window.
I look out the window.
Breakfast time. I walk into the kitchen.
I walk into the kitchen.
I open a cupboard.
I open a cupboard.
I take out a bowl.
I take out a bowl.
I pour cereal into the bowl.
I pour cereal into the bowl.
I add some milk.
I add some milk.
I sit at the table.
I sit at the table.
I eat my breakfast.
I eat my breakfast.
I drink some water.
I drink some water.
I put the bowl in the sink.
I put the bowl in the sink.
Leaving the house. I pick up my bag.
I pick up my bag.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I open the front door.
I open the front door.
I step outside.
I step outside.
I lock the door.
I lock the door.
I walk down the street.
I walk down the street.
I look at the sky.
I look at the sky.
I breathe the fresh air.
I breathe the fresh air.
On the way. I cross the road carefully.
I cross the road carefully.
I wait at the bus stop.
I wait at the bus stop.
I get on the bus.
I get on the bus.
I sit by the window.
I sit by the window.
I look outside.
I look outside.
I watch the cars.
I watch the cars.
I watch the buildings.
I watch the buildings.
I get off the bus.
I get off the bus.
Work time. I walk into my workplace.
I walk into my workplace.
I sit at my desk.
I sit at my desk.
I turn on my computer.
I turn on my computer.
I read my emails.
I read my emails.
I write a message.
I write a message.
I take a short break.
I take a short break.
After work, I leave my workplace.
I leave my workplace.
I walk to the park.
I walk to the park.
I sit on a bench.
I sit on a bench.
I rest my legs.
I rest my legs.
I watch the birds.
I watch the birds.
I listen to the wind.
I listen to the wind.
Evening at home. I walk back home.
I walk back home.
I unlock the door.
I unlock the door.
I enter my home.
I enter my home.
I take off my shoes.
I take off my shoes.
I sit on the sofa.
I sit on the sofa.
I relax my body.
I relax my body.
I turn on the TV.
I turn on the TV.
I watch a short show.
I watch a short show.
Night routine. I walk to the bathroom.
I walk to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I turn off the light.
I turn off the light.
I go to my bedroom.
I go to my bedroom.
I put on my pajamas.
I put on my pajamas.
I lie down on my bed.
I lie down on my bed.
I close my eyes.
I close my eyes.
Great job today, everyone. These daily sentences help you speak English every day.
Yes, these are everyday actions you can use in real life.
Practice them often. And remember, if you enjoyed this lesson,
Don't forget to subscribe to Learn English every day.
we post simple and useful English lessons for you.
Thanks for learning with us. See you next time.